Most people assume their tap water is safe, but the truth is more complicated than you think. Millions rely on water straight from the faucet without realizing what might be in it and whether a filter could make a difference. Water is essential for life, but not all water is created equal. Some homes receive water that's treated and monitored closely, while others face contaminants that aren't obvious to the naked eye. Today, we're breaking down the facts so you can decide if a water filter is really necessary for your family. Even in developed countries, tap water can contain trace amounts of minerals, chemicals, and microorganisms. Things like chlorine are added to disinfect water, but they can affect taste and, over time, potentially impact health. Heavy metals, pesticides, and bacteria are less common, but they do appear in certain areas due to aging pipes or environmental runoff. Without proper knowledge, it's hard to know what you're actually drinking. Consumers are bombarded with claims about filtered water versus tap water. Many products promise purity, better taste, and improved health, but the real impact varies depending on the type of filter and the water source. Some filters remove only chlorine and sediments, while others target heavy metals, bacteria, or even microplastics. Choosing the right solution requires understanding both your water quality and your household's needs. Testing your water is the first step. Home test kits and local water reports can provide clarity on what's present in your supply. Common indicators include pH balance, hardness, chlorine, lead, and other contaminants. Understanding these factors will guide your decision. Next, consider the types of filters available. Activated carbon filters improve taste and reduce chlorine. Reverse osmosis systems remove a wide range of contaminants, including dissolved solids and heavy metals. UV purifiers focus on eliminating bacteria and viruses. Each system has pros and cons, including cost, maintenance, and what contaminants they actually remove. It's also important to weigh lifestyle and health factors. Families with young children, pregnant women, or individuals with compromised immune systems may benefit more from higher-grade filtration. In other cases, simple carbon filters or even basic pitcher filters might suffice. Cost versus benefit is key. Filters aren't one-size-fits-all, and over-investing without need can be unnecessary. Not everyone needs an advanced filtration system. For many households, tap water is already safe, and a simple filter can enhance taste without requiring major investment. The real value lies in informed choice. Testing your water, understanding your local supply, and matching the filter to your needs. A filter is a tool, not a guarantee of absolute purity. Ultimately, deciding whether to use a water filter depends on knowledge rather than fear. Testing your water and learning what's actually in your supply is far more important than blindly purchasing the most expensive system. Filters can offer peace of mind, better taste, and targeted protection, but only when chosen based on facts. If you want to make an informed choice for your family's water, start by testing your water at home and reviewing your local water quality reports. For more insights on how to choose the right system and what to look for in a filter, subscribe to this channel. Check the description below for a detailed guide and useful resources that can help you understand your water better.